Hey, good morning, good morning. How are y'all doing? Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today is market day, and we're going to the market, the farmers market. So I'm gonna do some harvesting, and after that, we're gonna pack the vegetables, and we go into the market. So please join me on a tour to the market. So we now gonna do some harvest. We'll harvest the callaloo. Look how they stand up so nice. We have some tire blood, bok choy, some lettuce, some peppers. Okay, so let's do it. Enjoy the ride. So I have my table, I have my knife. We'll start with the callaloo or amaranth. Looks like the butterflies start to attack them. Those the butterflies. You want to take the damaged leaf. You don't want to sell that to the customers. So take them as much as possible. So this is the callaloo, 3 bundles I got. So now we're gonna harvest the bok choy. So let's go and harvest the bok choy. So this time we're gonna start from here. So we're just gonna pull it out, cut it, take off the leaves, and then we have one. Pull it, cut it. So as I said, this afternoon after the market, I will replant this bed. I have some other transplants here, which I will. These, unfortunately, the iguanas eat them up, so I will have to transplant new ones. Look at that. So now we're gonna harvest the adder leaves or tire blade. So this is my harvest for today. Bok choy, callaloo, betel leaves, kale, taya blad, and lettuce, and some pepper. Look at this, abundance of food. So we're gonna take this to the farmers market. I'm gonna wash them up, pack them, and then you see me at the farmers market. Oh, I forgot to mention that the banana that I cut the other day, I will also bring some to the farmers market, some organic banana. Okay, so here we have it. These are all the packages. Yes, some tablet here. So now we're heading to the farmers market. Let's go! The farmers market getting ready. Only 2 tents here now. Miss Popo. See? Nice.
All freshly produced. Come down for your freshly produced.
Come down for your fresh produce. Watch this. Yeah, so here we are. We are at the farmers market. So we have bok choy, adder leaves, taya blad, and the famous pepper, escovitch. Come and get your pepper. We have some mixed lettuce here, the red ruby, and the grand. And then we have banana. All from the yard, all from the backyard. We also have some peppers, hot pepper.
Oh yes, Lord.
Everything organic from the backyard. We also have some adder leaves or taya blad.
This is what we have on the table here. And there we have Miss Valerie. Yes.
You have like your meat, whatever, everything. Put a little, you got the aroma.
I forget to bring my bag. Violet, you don't got no shopping bag, right? I forget to bring my shopping bag. I never even know that I would come and buy meat.
No, we do it home. So if you need something, you can just give us a call and we will deliver for you.
Where is that?
Valley Heights. You will take a number, please.
Coaching. Hey, what you say, bro? So the other farmers are coming one by one. We have to long time no seen, man. You there? Huh?
Stuck on the farm season.
So here we at the yacht club. It's not high season, so the boats are gone. Well, the big ones still have some. Beautiful view. Beautiful. There's the market. The vendors are setting up. There we have Joe.
Let me give her some more because she want to go.
We got Joe. Yes, thank you. Okay, Madam Morton. So we are back from the farmers market. What I'm gonna do now is gonna transplant the seedlings and get ready for the next crop. Okay. Dig up the soil to bring some nutrients up.